Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So to enable WebGL 2.0 in Google Chrome, you need to first open the Google Chrome web browser, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Now in the left side menu, click on System, which is between Accessibility and Reset Settings. Ensure that Use Graphics Acceleration when available is turned on. If you change this setting, you need to restart Chrome. So open a new tab and search for Chrome flags. You will be taken to this kind of page. In the search box, type WebGL. This will show you WebGL related experimental settings. If you see an option that says WebGL 2.0 or other relevant WebGL settings that are disabled, open its drop-down menu and select Enabled. You can also enable additional WebGL developer or extension options if your application requires them. And after making your changes, click on Relaunch at the bottom of the page to restart your Chrome and apply the new settings. Also, please note that Chrome flags are experimental and the available options may change or not appear in every Chrome version. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.